welcome back to Indian Wonder Girl, and today I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm so happy. It's because someone is lying in the bench here. So if you guys never knew that this time of the year, which is November, the Indians celebrate the Diwali, and I would like to talk about Diwali later, but now I'm getting my Diwali gift. So everyone get their Diwali gift, and I'm so happy to unbox mine. It came in Amazon today, and I'm so happy to unbox it, and I would like to take a video, so that's why I'm taking this video. Now let's get to the unboxing, but I'm not sure what is there inside. But see, there's a big package. So I've unboxed it, and I'm gonna take out what's inside. Oh, what's inside? Something feels thick in there. And that is Queen of Air and Darkness by Cassandra Clare, which belongs to the Dark Artifices series, and is the book 3. It's so good. It's just like amazing. It's book 3. I just love it. You see, the copy is amazing, and the look is amazing, and there are 912 pages for me in. So I'm feeling so excited, and see, there's a lot of interesting stories. So friends, this book is just amazing. So I think the plot is about the Parabatai curse. What are Parabatai? You would wonder. Parabatai in the Shadowhunter world means that there are two persons who come together and they make a group and they collaborate for fighting the demons and monsters. And these Parabatais can be man and man, or women and women, or they can also be a girl and a boy. It can be like, it's irrespective of the gender. So I love this. I love the plot. Basically, this Parabatai curse tries to destroy the Shadowhunters and their loved ones, so they have to save. And the main characters are Emma and Julian, I think so. So as I read the gist, I came to know it's Emma and Julian. So I'm so excited to read this thick book. I think I can wrap it around between like 2 to 3 days, so I'm sure I can do it. And yeah, this is gonna be an amazing book. Now, let's keep the book and let's talk about the rest things. So actually, I didn't get the Queen of Air and Darkness saga box, like where there is the swag box. I didn't get it, where there are the characters and maps. Instead, I worked on my own and I got the pictures of these characters and the maps. Now, let's start with the characters. So the first is the main character. I've got Emma here. So I'd like to repeat again. This was not from the swag box. I did my work on my own, and then I got these pictures. She's all cool, right? She's beautiful, and I like her. And other characters are all wrapped around here, and this is the Shadowhunter poster. Isn't it so cool? It comes like as the dust jacket comes behind the dust jacket if you get part cover. So isn't it just cool? It's just amazing. So it has all characters. It consists of all the characters in this story. And there is also another character. I never knew these guys' names, but I'm sure I just got the image. So when I get through this book and again, then I'll be trying to know the names, and it's gonna be fun. Now I've got multiple characters running around my head, and the other characters, and this is Matthew Fairchild. The name comes, so I knew it. And she's so cool, and she's so brave. She's looking so brave and so cute. So I think she'll be main character. But I like this image so much. It's just amazing, you know, the color contrast and a lot like these. So I got it as an image, and I've also got one of the characters, and this is also one of the characters, and this is also one of the characters, and same one of the characters. I think it's Julian. Yeah, it's Julian, I think so. So I only know Julian, Emma, because I know they're Parabatais. I just know the characters. These two characters are the ones which I know. So when I get to a lot more Shadowhunter books, then I'm sure and I believe that I'll be knowing all the characters. Now coming to the maps. I'm having this map. One of the map of Shadowhunters is so good, it's black and white, but it's amazing. And I've also got another map. It's I got it from a mini a picture, and this is the Idris map. Iris or Idris. I don't know how to spell it, but I think it's Iris, so it's a great map. It's lovely. And I'm having Shadow Hunters. So yeah, this is the map for the Dark Artifices. Like this is the map for Dark Artifices. So this is the main map to be shown. It's looking good. So I wanted to look at places I can't be in the middle of confusion where I'm thinking that, oh my god, I don't know what's happening around me. And this is also one of the maps. So all the characters, a map, posters, or everything like done, and these are like the whole cheat sheets of characters and maps and all this. But I like this character and image. She's so cool. I know, she's so cool. And here's my book. So, wish me happy journey to get and to dive into the Shadow Hunters world, the Dark Artifices world, and the world of destructions, a world of beautiful things. And I'm so excited to dive into this book. So I'm excited to dive, to jump, to live in the Shadow Hunter world. So, see you in this awesome video. So bye, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and you can also comment if you want me to read any other books of your desire. So bye guys!